Hello, here is BB Walker. Welcome to my channel again. As I promised, we are going back into Yamaha PSR S670 because some of you have asked interesting questions about registration memory, advanced configuration. So if you are interested in, just stay tuned and we will start very soon. Alright, so at the beginning I would like to thank you again for 11,000 subscribers, and we are going very fast to the main topic for today. Actually, this video has been recorded for Josh Joe and Davey Dugdale. Both of the guys have asked about registration memory advanced feature. Basically, one of the guy want to have recorded registration banks that holds information about selected song, and the second guy wants to have registration memory but without the information about style. So he wants to change registration memory but to leave the style unchanged. Okay, so first we will I have created a please subscribe bank. I don't want to show you now all the features, how to create registration memory, how to edit, how to delete, etc. Please refer to the video description. There will be also a cards that will help you navigate through the topics from the beginning to more advanced features. This is a little bit advanced features because we will be saving custom registration memory, okay? And we will decide which information you want to save inside the registration file. So registration bank, as you know, is 8 files. It 8 stores, it's 8 pieces of memory when some information are stored, and if you recall the registration bank, all this information are loaded into memory and set all the things, and you don't have to manually set up a lot of stuff. So as you can see, the please subscribe registration has been prepared and it is completely empty. And before recording the video, I have recorded very short song called I don't know, I save it already and call it fun. It's a little bit very close song. And actually this is end of this song. And this song has been built using the selected style, the funky house. It's important, but not for this moment. But now I would like to show you where is the settings for saving the selected song and recall it during registration memory. So basically the whole things happens in this button called memory. In your configuration, it's probably different than now because I have been experimenting with it. And basically, what does it mean? Actually, here you can configure which information will be stored in the registration file, but also which information will be loaded from registration file. And now we will do the following. I will uncheck the style. I will leave voice, I will check multipads, okay, and audio text, let's leave the default, and I will check the song. As you can see now, the song is checked. And what does it mean? If you have already saved your song on the USB or internal memory, and you will create a registration bank with the songs checked. So after changing this presets, we are saving the registration. So we are pressing memory and bank number 1. And under the bank number 1, I will have now a reference, a link to my song called Fun. Of course, rest of them is empty. So now we switch to another empty bank. Of course, we cannot switch to another empty bank because there is no such a thing. But what I will do now, I will create a new song by pressing record and stop. As you can see, the song Fun has been discarded. And now I will record the song, but I won't be using a style accompaniment. I will only play some voice. So I will record some right hand. It's important because by saving song, it also saves information about style, and I will explain you this in a moment. But please remember that now I'm recording song, zero style as the backing track, only some solo. So press record and record something. Stop, and I will save now this song. So I'm pressing song function, I select, I will go to the internal memory user space, I will select save. Of course, if you want to know more about this kind, please check the video description. There is a lot of videos on my channel about it. Let's call it G Let's call it G. Alright, so it's called G. And now let's take a look in the memory again. I have song and style unchecked. So song is checked. So now I will store this configuration. Selected style is funky house and selected song is G. But what will happen if I go to first number one? As you can see, the selected song is fun. So it plays there and here. So it automatically changed the song during changing the memory registration bank. Actually, memory slot. Registration memory, because bank is a whole of these 8 slots. Okay, so this is actually the answer to the first question for Jazz Joe about saving songs into registration memory. And now let's switch to another topic. To topic from Dave Dugdale, yeah, who actually wanted to have a registration memory file, registration memory, but without changing style. So, for the demonstration purposes, let's change style to something other than this funky house. For example, modern pop ballad, and go to memory and let's uncheck the song. So uncheck the song and select style, because I wanted to have some reference during changes to check if it works or not. So under the memory 4, the bank number 4 will be our bank with modern pop ballad. If I go here to number 2, as you can see, nothing has happened. I go here and he switched to the funky house. You may be asking yourself now, what the will happen? Why he changes the... Let's go back again to the base. Modern was saved under 4. I go to 2, it doesn't change. I go to 1, it changed. I go back to 2, it doesn't change. It remains the old one. Well, as you remember, you can rewind the video and see that the style wasn't saved under 1 and 2, only the song. But the song, if the registration bank doesn't have information about styles, but the song have information about the styles, it will be also changed. It's crazy, but I will try to explain you more. If you press registration bank plus and minus at the same time, you will see your banks. And if you press the info, you will see the more information about your saved styles. Unfortunately, here is selected that this style is empty. So it means that this registration slot, this registration memory doesn't hold information about style. Unfortunately, they didn't display information about the song. But as you remember, the registration bank number 1 was holding a song called Fun, and the registration bank number 2 was holding song called G. And song G was recorded without styles, but the first song was recorded with styles. And this is magic, phenomena. Why? If you switch from some completely other style bank with memory with some selected style to 2, it doesn't hold, doesn't change because it's empty. Here it was also empty, we doesn't save the style, but it's changed because of the style is stored with the song. Why they did this? Basically, if you record a song, it's MIDI, but it also holds additional information about the origin of this song. It helps the song, the score, the lyrics, and extra information to be displayed. Is there any way to, you know, fix this and to have a song with based on styles but doesn't have the style? I know it's pretty confusing maybe, but I will try to show you more. So basically, let's go again to the memory, and now I will uncheck I will uncheck style and I will uncheck song. Let's leave the voice and multipad and extra tempo, etc. stored. And for example, let's switch tempo to something crazy. 133, and let's select right one, for example, accordion, enter. All right, and now let's save this into, so we got 133 tempo, accordion, and let's save it under bank number 8. I remind you that we have saved it without style. So if we go to our base registration bank, which have this information stored, modern pop ballad, and we go again to the 8, as you can see, tempo is loaded, accordion is loaded, but the style remained unchanged, Mr. Dave. So this is how you can achieve it. Moreover, if you want to also maybe a combined solution like the first guy and the second guy, when you want to have the song change but style remain unchanged, yes, it's possible, but you need to edit the song and remove the style information. It is the, you know, let's call it topic for another video, but let's do one more test to create another bank without style information, but with other information, okay? So for example, let's do some changes. I would like to change my grant, whatever, MIDI grant. The second voice, let's all right, and for example, let's also remove the song. I mean, create a completely new, and now let's save it under bank number 7. And maybe also for demonstration purposes, change the style for a moment. Disco Philly. Disco Philly, but I'm not saving it into registration file. So what will happen? Memory 7. I will save here MIDI grant in this aerial lead, and I will switch to vanilla pad accordion. As you can see, nothing's happened. Still, I got this style Disco Philly. So I could change it, nothing happened. I could go here, change into modern ballad because it was saved with modern ballad, and now you can still again switch. Those funky house is an exception at extraordinary situation. Why? Because the song Fun was recorded based on this style. To summarize all of this, let's display information. So as you can see, registration memory number 1 has no style, tempo 93. Second has no style. Third, our bass our reference has modern pop, and with tabs we go further, and 7 also has no style, and the last one also has no style. So the style won't be changed. So for example, now I'm selecting completely jump, jive. I play it, and still I have jive with another tempo, accordion, sorry, alright, so as you can see, this is how you could prepare registration memory files by selecting the desired options which you want to be saved in here. And remember, for all your projects and basically all your custom configuration, you need to save in memory which part of the configuration of the whole keyboard you want to save in the registration file. And only this information could be loaded. If there is no information, for example, there is no information about style, there is no information stored about song, the previous song remain unchanged. There is one exception of this rule. If your song has been stored, style is not stored, but the song has been created using a style, if the priority works as follows. I mean, if there is no style saved, it will look into the song and load the default style connected with the song. But if you create a song from scratch or import the song from internet and as a MIDI file and save it, it never ever changes your style if it's not saved during the creation of registration bank. I hope you know all the stuff. I know it's maybe a pretty confusing, so if you have any question or you want me to give you more details about this, please just give me a comment as always under the video. And as always, I also would like to thank you for 11,000 subscribers. So see you later. It was BB Walker. Good luck.